Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is me Tawfiq Aman Channa and you are watching my YouTube channel Mr. Educator. Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you some daily life sentences. So be with me in this video till the end. Without wasting time, let's begin our today's video. मैं समझा नहीं. I did not understand. I did not understand. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. मजाक करना बंद करो. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. ये कोई मजाक नहीं है. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. बराए करम बैठ जाएं. Please be seated. Please be seated. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. क्या आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? क्या आप उर्दू बोलते हैं? Do you speak Urdu? Do you speak Urdu? उम्मीद है कि जल्द ही आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. Hope to see you again soon. Hope to see you again soon. क्या आपको मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you get my point? Did you get my point? मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. माफ़ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. Excuse me. मैं आज थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I'm feeling tired today. I'm feeling tired today. ये आपका कोई काम नहीं है. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. जल्दी आओ. Come quickly. Come quickly. जूते पहन लो. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. अपनी कमीज पहन लो. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. अपनी बनियान पहन लो. Put on your vest. Put on your vest. लाइक करें इस वीडियो को, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.